MSRT, Mind Sound Resonance Technique. You can lie down on your mat or on your bed, legs apart, hands little away from the body, palm facing upward, fingers loosely placed. You're facing towards ceiling or sky, eyes closed. Relax your whole body completely, observing your breath. Deeply inhale and completely exhale. We'll start with 3 rounds of Omkara. Inhale. 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 Now join your palms together, Namaskar Mudra in front of the chest. We'll start with the opening prayer, Mahamrityunjay Mantra. All together, inhale. Om Trayambakam Yajamahe Sugandhim Pushtivardhanam Urvarukamiva Bandhanat Mrityor Mokshi Yamamritat. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Feel the vibration of mantra. Now we'll start with the second step. Loud chanting. Akara, Ukara, Makara and A, U, Ma in single breath. First, loud chanting of Akara, bringing your awareness to the lower part of your body. As you chant, feel the resonance, the vibration over the lower part. Inhale Akara. Feel the vibrations. Taking your awareness to the middle region of your body. Ukara. Inhale. Feel the vibration over your middle region, relaxing completely. Now bringing your awareness to the head region, we'll chant Makara all together. Inhale. Feel the vibration. Now bring your awareness to the whole body. We'll chant A, U, Ma in single breath. Inhale. Feel the vibration. Again, Akara, inhale. Ukara, inhale. Makara, inhale. Now bring your awareness to the whole body. We'll chant A, U, Ma in single breath. Inhale. Again, Akara, inhale. Ukara, inhale. Makara, inhale. Now bring your awareness to the whole body. We'll chant A, U, Ma in single breath. Inhale. As you complete, feel the vibrations. Next, we'll move to Ahata and Anahata phase, loud and mental chanting. First, Akara loud chanting. Inhale. Akara mental chanting. Inhale. Now Ukara loud chanting. Inhale. Ukara mental chanting. Inhale. Now Makara loud chanting. Inhale. Loud chanting of A, U, Ma in single breath. Inhale. A, U, Ma in single breath, mental chanting. Inhale. Akara loud chanting. Inhale. Akara mental chanting. Inhale. Now Ukara loud chanting. Inhale. Ukara mental chanting. Inhale. Now Makara loud chanting. Inhale. Makara mental chanting. Inhale. Loud chanting of A, U, Ma in single breath. Inhale. A, U, Ma in single breath, mental chanting. Inhale. Akara loud chanting. Inhale. Akara mental chanting. Inhale. Now Ukara loud chanting. Inhale. Ukara mental chanting. Inhale. Now Makara loud chanting. Inhale. Makara mental chanting. Inhale. Loud chanting of A, U, Ma in single breath. Inhale. A, U, Ma in single breath. Mental chanting. Inhale. As you complete, feel the vibrations all over your body. You're going to the deep, relaxed state. Next, we'll go for Mahamrityunjay mantra chanting for 3 rounds. All together, inhale. Om Trayambakam Yajamahe Sugandhim Pushtivardhanam Urvarukamiva Bandhanat Mrityor Mokshi Yamamritat. Again, inhale. Om Trayambakam Yajamahe Sugandhim Pushtivardhanam Urvarukamiva Bandhanat Mrityor Mokshi Yamamritat. One more round. Inhale. Om Trayambakam Yajamahe Sugandhim Pushtivardhanam Urvarukamiva Bandhanat Mrityor Mokshi Yamamritat. Feel the vibrations. Now we'll go for Ahata and Anahata, or loud and mental chanting for Mahamrityunjay mantra. First, loud chanting. Inhale.
ॐ त्र्यम्बकं यजामहे सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमिव बन्धनात् मृत्योर्मोक्षीयमामृतात्. Now mental chanting of Mahamrityunjay mantra. Loud chanting Mahamrityunjay mantra. Inhale. Om Trayambakam Yajamahe Sugandhim Pushtivardhanam Urvarukamiva Bandhanat Mrityurmokshiyamamritat. Mental chanting Mahamrityunjay mantra. Inhale. Makara mental chanting. Inhale. Mrityurmokshiyamamritat. Mental chanting Mahamrityunjay mantra. Inhale. As you complete, feel the vibrations. Next we'll go for A, U, Ma in single breath mental chanting for 9 rounds. A, U, Ma in single breath mentally for 9 rounds. Inhale and start. Now, as you complete the mental chanting of A, U, Ma, observe your mental state, mental screen. You will get the reflection or impression of your chanting. Just effortlessly look to your mental screen. Whatever is coming, let it come and let it go. Don't hold to any of the thoughts, just fully relaxed, effortlessly looking to the mental screen. You will observe in a while, everything will disappear and you will be getting a blank screen, the state of complete deep silence. Observe this state clearly and try to stay in it for a while. Now take your awareness up from the body to a certain height. Look towards your body, how beautifully your body lying on the ground or on the mat, completely in a relaxed state, relaxed manner. The joy, happiness, silence, observe your body is getting. Fully calm, fully relaxed. Now slowly take your awareness towards the sky, towards the blue sky. As you reaching the sky, merge with the blue sky, the clear blue sky. Feel the expansiveness, the vastness, the lightness, being one with the blue sky, completely relaxed. Stay there for a while. Now slowly take your awareness back towards your body. Slowly, slowly. As you reaching near to the body, merge with your body parts from the tip of the toe to the top of the head, completely observing the silent state. Stay in it. Now from the depth of the silence will take one resolve, a short positive statement in present tense. Repeat it mentally for 9 rounds in your mother tongue with full faith and belief. As you complete 9 rounds, stay in the silent state for a while. Now slowly bring your awareness to the whole body, moving your toes, your fingers, turning your head to the right and left. Slowly bringing your legs together, hands closer to the body. Bend your left leg at the knee, sliding your right hand up, slowly coming up to the right side. Slowly take a right turn. Be on the right side, both knee, both foot together, left palm on the thigh, head resting on the right bicep. Feel the weight of your body on the right side. Now take support with your left palm, come up to sitting position slowly, eyes remain closed. Relax completely. Observe your body, observe your breath. Now slowly join your palms together. We'll close up with a closing prayer. Inhale. Om Sarve Bhavantu Sukhinah. Sarve Santu Niramaya. Sarve Bhadrani Pashyantu. Ma Kaschid Dukh Bhavet. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Slowly rub your palms together. Give massage to your face with few blinks. Open your eyes, relaxing your hands down. Enjoy your relaxation. Thank you.